Think animals are all cute and cuddly? Wait till you hear what some of them actually do. This quiz will have you howling with laughter. Let's go. Which animal does handstands to impress? Skunk. What animal's eyes move independently of each other? Chameleon. Which bird can sleep while flying? Albatross. What creature uses its butt to breathe? Turtle. What animal can shoot blood from its eyes? Lizard. What animal can regrow its brain each time it molts? Slug. Which animal can walk for days without drinking water? Camel. What sea creature can clone itself? Jellyfish. What animal has blue blood? Horseshoe crab. Which animal's tongue is longer than its body? Chameleon. Which was your favorite? Comment, like, and share. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the next quiz.